Hello, and today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Ulster Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this 2010 on a 60 plate short wheelbase Volkswagen Transporter. This is a 2-litre TDI with a 180 bhp and is a bi-turbo. It has 2 owners from new, and in this rather unusual Friesen Green, it looks absolutely fantastic. I'll start this video by showing you the interior. It's got some really great features, including aircon and these dual armrests, which make driving it a lot more comfortable. One of the great things about Volkswagen vans is when you drive them, they are absolutely car-like. And just look at this interior here. It really is quite comfortable. And as I said, quite a car-like. Everything looks like it's matching out of the Volkswagens of this period. To start it up, you just depress the clutch and twist it all the way around. Another great thing is it has that 6-speed manual gearbox, making it more economical and a lot better for motorway cruising. These really are brilliant vans to drive. It's got 3 seats, which again increases its practicality. And I must also mention these really nice Volkswagen mats. You have decent sized lockable storage boxes, this netting down there for paperwork, and also lots of different pockets scattered all around. So keeping items in this van doesn't add to clutter. There's lots of different places you can just jot them around. As I said, here at Kirby Commercials, we really do love the Volkswagen Transporters. And that mainly is because A, they look fantastic, and B, they're just so comfortable to drive. I also think this colour works particularly well with the vehicle. The rear tailgate opens up and it reveals a really clean, great looking, big rear space. As you'd expect, it's totally flat, so it's easy for loading. And bear in mind that this van is 11 years old. Just look how clean that interior is. Fantastic. These really are great looking vans, and even better to drive. We hope you've enjoyed this video at all. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.